So, you just unlocked your phone. Maybe you're about to scroll through your feed, or maybe you're queuing up a new video. Whatever it is, you probably don't think about what's happening on the inside. Deep within that sleek slab of glass and metal, there's a tiny, intricate city of circuits. It's a microscopic world, buzzing with electricity and making everything you do possible in an instant. These little engines are the unsung heroes of our daily lives, working silently and efficiently. They are in your phone, your watch, your smart speaker, and even your car. They are everywhere, yet completely invisible to us. These tiny powerhouses are more than just simple switches. They are complex processors, the brains of the operation. Imagine a bustling metropolis, shrunk to the size of your fingernail. Billions of transistors, like tiny couriers, race around, executing commands at unbelievable speeds. When you tap an app, you give the go signal to this city. It wakes up, calculates, and delivers the result back to your screen in a fraction of a second. So let's talk about ARM. You've probably heard the name thrown around, especially when a new phone or laptop is announced. But what is it, really? ARM isn't a company that makes chips. Instead, they design the blueprints, the fundamental instructions for how a chip should work. Think of it like a recipe. ARM creates a super efficient recipe for building a processor. Apple, Qualcomm, Samsung. The core idea behind the ARM recipe has always been simplicity and low power consumption. This focus on efficiency is why ARM became the king of mobile. Imagine you have two chefs. One chef knows how to cook 1,000 complicated gourmet dishes. The other chef only knows how to chop, boil, fry, but does them with incredible speed and precision. Now let's take that ARM blueprint and scale it up, way up. That's where Amazon's Graviton chips come in. For years, the massive data centers that power the cloud, the places that store your files, host websites, and stream your shows, ran on those traditional power-hungry x86 chips. These are the servers that make up Amazon Web Services, or AWS, the backbone of a huge chunk of the internet. But Amazon saw the efficiency of ARM and asked a simple question. What if we used that same low-power, high-efficiency design to run our data centers? So they did. The Graviton processor is Amazon's custom-built chip, based on the ARM architecture, designed specifically for the cloud. Instead of having one massive, complex core, a Graviton chip packs in a ton of smaller, simpler, and more efficient ARM cores. When you stream a 4K movie, your request hits one of these data centers, and the work is distributed across many efficient cores. A server powered by a Graviton chip can handle your request, and thousands of others, by distributing the work across its many efficient cores. It's like having a team of nimble specialists instead of one big, slow generalist. Think about it like a checkout line at a grocery store. The old way was like having one single checkout counter with a super-powered cashier who could handle any complex transaction, but only one at a time. This created a huge bottleneck. The Graviton way is like opening up 60 smaller express checkout lanes. Each lane handles simple transactions very quickly. For the millions of small simple requests that flood a data center every second, loading an image, processing a like, checking your email, this multi-core approach is dramatically faster and more efficient. The performance gains are real. By switching to ARM-based chips like Graviton, which are fundamentally designed to use less power, the energy savings are massive. This efficiency translates directly into a better user experience. So the next time your phone feels impossibly fast, you can thank the silent, efficient little engines humming away in the cloud.